I hold my left hand, it turns off. Right hand lights up, left hand turns off. So this is how it works. My name is Anish, and I developed this project which has utilizes the camera on your computer to turn on and off the light depending on which hand you're holding, whether it's right or left. So the way I did this was by importing a few libraries such as CV2, so that the Arduino I'm using can utilize the camera on my desktop device. Then I imported the serial so that it can so that the Arduino and my laptop can communicate each other using the serial. Then after that I also imported the hand detector from the CV zone so that it can find out whether I'm holding my right hand or my left hand, and if it's my right hand it will send a byte 1, and if it's my left hand it will send a byte 0. So because of this, whenever my Arduino receives the byte 1, the LED will turn on, and whenever it receives the byte 0, the LED will turn off. So I can let me demonstrate this to you. Okay. Yep. Slowly. Yeah. So you can see me here. So if I hold my right hand, you can see that it lights up. If I hold my left hand, it turns off. Right hand lights up, left hand turns off. So this is how it works.